Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to open zip file on Telegram. Before we get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, open up Telegram on your phone, and as you have opened up Telegram on your phone, you will be able to see your chats. Now to open up the file, simply go back and open up Play Store, and after opening up Play Store, type opener, and once you have written that, simply search it up, and now you will be able to see all these options. So simply download the ISIP opener from the over here and wait a second. Yes, so this is one app. It was called a Zip on Zip Google. Simply download from Play Store, and once you have downloaded this app on your device, you will able to read Zip messages on your Telegram. That is how easily you can open their files on your Telegram. Let me know in the comment section below. This video help you guys. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.